Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Quora account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Quora account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address quora.com and hit enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Quora. So let's wait for it. And you can see guys, on the home page of Quora you can directly log into your Quora account from over here. In order to log in guys, you'll be required to enter your email address and your password of your Quora account over here. But guys, if you want to log into your Quora account with your Google or your Facebook accounts, you can click on either of these options where it says continue with Google or Facebook. If you click on these buttons, respective login page to your Google or Facebook will open, and if you log into your account guys, you'll be signed into your Quora with your Google or Facebook. With that being said guys, let's enter our email address with which we have signed up for a Quora account. And after entering your email address guys, enter your password over here, whichever may it be, and confirm that you're not a robot by clicking on this button where it says I'm not a robot, and verify yourself through something over here. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Quora account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Quora account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.